What is up, PC Gaming Pulse crew? Get ready, because we've got a rapid-fire rundown of the hottest tech news hitting the scene. First up, AMD is pushing the boundaries with ROCm 7, promising a massive performance leap. Then, we're diving deep into the financial plays with Veracity Capital LLC, making a significant move involving Advanced Micro Devices, Inc. And hold on, because Everpar Advisors LLC is also making waves with their own stake in Advanced Micro Devices. Finally, AMD is dropping new budget-friendly CPUs for the AM5 platform, and we've got all the details. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Hit that like, subscribe, and ring the bell. AMD unleashes ROCm 7 with jaw-dropping performance gains. Get ready for a seismic shift in AI and HPC performance. AMD has just dropped ROCm 7, and the numbers are staggering, showing up to a 3.8x performance uplift compared to its predecessor, ROCm 6. This isn't just an incremental update. It's a leap forward designed to supercharge your computations and unlock new levels of efficiency for developers and researchers alike. ROCm, AMD's open software platform for GPU computing, is now more powerful than ever. This latest release focuses on critical areas like performance, usability, and broader hardware support, aiming to make AMD's GPUs the go-to choice for demanding AI workloads. The significant performance jump means faster training times for machine learning models, quicker simulations, and the ability to tackle more complex problems than previously possible. This advancement is a clear signal of AMD's commitment to competing at the forefront of the accelerated computing landscape. The tech community is buzzing with excitement, with developers eager to leverage the enhanced capabilities for their next-generation applications. Analysts are already touting ROCm 7 as a game-changer, potentially reshaping the competitive dynamics in the GPU software ecosystem. The focus on an open platform also resonates well, fostering a more collaborative and innovative environment. Don't go anywhere, because the financial world is reacting to AMD's moves, and there's a new budget CPU lineup you need to see. Veracity Capital LLC joins the AMD investment frenzy. Wall Street is abuzz as Veracity Capital LLC has officially disclosed a new stake in Advanced Micro Devices, Inc. This strategic acquisition, revealed in their latest 13F filing, adds another significant player to the growing list of institutional investors betting on AMD's future. Veracity Capital LLC acquired 1,582 shares, valued at approximately $224,000, signaling confidence in AMD's semiconductor prowess. This move comes amidst a flurry of activity from other major players. Goldman Sachs Group Inc. dramatically boosted its stake by 169.7%, while T. Rowe Price Investment Management Inc. saw a 131.5% increase in its holdings. Even Parnassus Investments, LLC made a colossal jump with a 47,883.5% increase. These substantial shifts, particularly the significant increases from established firms and the new positions taken by entities like Nuveen LLC, highlight a strong institutional belief in AMD's growth trajectory. Furthermore, insider trading reports show EVP Forrest Eugene Norad selling shares valued at nearly $2.8 million, and EVP Paul Darren Graspy selling shares worth over $1.7 million, indicating active portfolio management among company executives. The market is keenly watching AMD's stock performance, which recently opened at $160.46, with a market cap soaring to $260.4 billion. Despite a slight miss on Q2 earnings per share, revenue exceeded expectations, and the company's year-over-year revenue growth remains robust at 31.7%. Analyst sentiment is largely positive, with a consensus rating of moderate buy and an average price target of $180.88, as reported by PC Gaming Pulse. But the investment news doesn't stop there. Another advisory firm is making its move on AMD, and we've got the full scoop. Plus, get ready for some exciting new CPU releases. Everpar Advisors LLC makes a strategic play on advanced micro devices. In a significant financial maneuver, Everpar Advisors LLC has entered the arena, acquiring a new stake in Advanced Micro Devices, Inc. This latest disclosure to the SEC indicates a calculated investment in one of the semiconductor industry's most dynamic players. Everpar Advisors LLC secured 1,600 shares, valued at roughly $227,000, adding to the considerable institutional interest in AMD. This follows a trend of substantial investment activity, with other funds like MPWM Advisory Solutions, LLC making new entries and existing investors, such as Farmers and Merchants Trust Co. of Chambersburg, PA, and American Capital Advisory, LLC, significantly expanding their positions. Hedge funds and institutional investors collectively hold a commanding 71.34% of AMD's stock, underscoring its appeal in the institutional investment community. The market continues to digest AMD's latest financial reports, with a Q2 EPS of 48 cents falling slightly short of estimates, though revenue beat expectations at $7.69 billion. The company's strong year-over-year revenue growth of 31.7% and a healthy net margin of 9.57% continue to draw analyst attention. Despite some insider selling, including a notable transaction by CEO Lisa T. Su valued at over $36 million, the overall analyst consensus remains a moderate buy, with an average price target of $180.88, according to PC Gaming Pulse data. Stay tuned, because AMD isn't just making financial headlines, they're also launching new hardware that could change the game for budget PC builders. AMD rolls out budget-friendly AM5 Ryzen CPUs to lower entry costs. The entry point to AMD's latest AM5 platform just got significantly more affordable, especially for those considering pre-built systems, as AMD introduces 3 new 6-core processors. AMD has quietly expanded its Ryzen lineup for the current AM5 platform, introducing processors based on both Zen 4 and Zen 5 architectures. These new chips, including the Ryzen 5 7400F, Ryzen 5 7400 non-F, and the Zen 5-based Ryzen 5 9500F, represent the most budget-conscious options for users looking to step into the modern AM5 ecosystem. The Ryzen 5 7400F and 7400 are 6-core 12-thread Zen 4 processors with a 65 WTDP, differing mainly in clock speeds and the presence of an integrated GPU on the non-F variant. The standout is the Ryzen 5 9500F, featuring the newer Zen 5 architecture, a 5 GHz boost clock, 38 MB of cache, and a WTDP, making it a compelling option for performance on a budget, though it notably lacks an iGPU. While the Ryzen 5 9500F debuted as a China exclusive, and the Ryzen 5 7400 has been spotted in Korea, all three are primarily expected to be found in OEM and system integrator (SI) builds, limiting standalone retail availability for now. These new processors are generating buzz among budget-conscious builders and system integrators looking to offer compelling AM5 systems without breaking the bank. The inclusion of Zen 5 architecture in a more accessible price point is particularly exciting, potentially setting new standards for entry-level performance and hinting at a future where AM5 could rival AM4's longevity and versatility. That's all the news for today, but before you go, let's do a quick recap of everything we covered. And that's a wrap on today's PC Gaming Pulse. We saw AMD's massive performance leap with ROCm 7, Veracity Capital LLC and Everpar Advisors LLC making strategic investments in AMD, and the exciting launch of AMD's new budget-friendly AM5 Ryzen CPUs. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this update, subscribe to PC Gaming Pulse for all your gaming tech news, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Let us know your thoughts on these stories in the comments below, and be sure to follow us on all our social media channels for more exclusive content. Thanks for watching.